Good morning to one and all. In the today's class, I am going to discuss about enhancement type MOSFET. The circuit symbol for N-channel enhancement type MOSFET is like this. In the case of depletion type, due to pre-existing of the channel, there we have shown the continuous line here. But in the case of enhancement type MOSFET, there is no pre-existing of the channel, no channel. Therefore, here I have showed with the dashed lines. Okay. This is the construction of N-channel enhancement type MOSFET. The major portion of N-channel enhancement type MOSFET is made up of P-type substrate. Two heavily doped N+ region are diffused into P-type substrate. You have silicon dioxide layer and metals. Here you have three terminals: gate, drain and source. Okay. So if we come to the working part, is the working of N-channel enhancement MOSFET. In the first case, what I assumed here is I am not doing any biasing. For this MOSFET device. Biasing in the sense I am not applying any drain to source voltage and gate to source voltage. If both are 0, drain to source and gate to source, then the drain current is 0. So the circuit condition we call it as open circuit condition. Okay. In the case 2, what I will do for the same figure 1, I will keep VGS is equal to 0 volt fixed. I will keep on vary the VDS. If you vary the VDS, what will happen? Due to VGS is equal to 0 volt, there will be no any drain current, because gate to source voltage in the case of enhancement type MOSFET is used to form the channel. Initially you have to form the channel. Okay, then the electrons will start to move from source to drain. So here I clearly specified VGS is used to induce electron to form the channel. Therefore, if VGS is 0, if you vary VDS, then the drain current is 0. Okay. Then for case 3, you have to form the channel. So in order to form the channel, you have to refer figure 2. This is the figure 2, channel formation in the N-channel enhancement type MOSFET. In order to form the channel, drain to source voltage you have to do reverse bias. So here the drain is positive. Here the drain is positive. Why? In the sense, here you have N+ region. N is connected to positive terminal of the battery. Therefore, you are doing reverse bias disjunction. So and then gate you have to give positive potential. Why? In the sense, if you give positive potential, in P-type substrate the minority carriers are electrons. That electrons will get attracted towards this positive potential of the gate and it will start to accumulate here. Okay. And then in P-type, majority charge carriers are holes, what I have shown in the plus mark. That holes will get repel due to this positive potential of the gate. Okay. So for the initial stages of VGS value, the channel will start to form. Means the accumulation of electrons in the channel will start. When once VGS greater than VT means threshold voltage, the electrons will start to move from source to drain. Okay, here the electrons moving from source to drain. Therefore, the conventional direction you have to mark opposite to the movement of electron. Therefore, you have to mark downward. ID and IS you have to mark downward. Okay, so that's what I had written here. In order to form the channel, procedure I had written here. VDS you have to reverse biased. VGS, okay, vary from 0 volt. Due to positive voltage, what will happen? The electrons will get attracted towards the channel place and it start to accumulate here. Holes will get repel due to this positive gate voltage. Okay, when VGS is equal to VT. Okay, so that one I will show you with respect to transfer characteristics. This is your transfer characteristics, VGS and VT. Initial values for VGS from 0 to 2 volts. There will be no movement of electron from source to drain because all the electrons will start to accumulate in the channel. When once VGS greater than VT, there is movement of electrons from source to drain. Therefore, there will be a drain current. Okay, as you know that this is transfer characteristics. X-axis is VGS and Y-axis is ID. Okay, once the channel formed, then what you have to do, I clearly specified here. For fixed VDS, if VGS is less than VT, no channel formed, ID is 0. If VGS is greater than VT, channel formed, ID will be there. Okay, and then for this case, what you have to do in means, you have to keep VGS fixed 3 volt, here 3 volt, increase VDS, keep on increase VDS. Then what will happen? The depletion layer will start to cover the channel. Initially there will be a path for the movement of electron from source to drain, but later on if I make VDS value